Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, the National Unity Platform presidential candidate, has condemned tribalism, stating that leaders should be judged by their potential and ability to lead, rather than by tribe.
So ndi wano kubabulira nti abantu betuvuganya nabo tebasobola kujja ne bagamba Katana byayogedde abadde alimba. No. Tebasobola kujja ne bagamba Bobi Wine byabadde ayogera alimba. No. Bajja kugamba wadde byayogera bituufu naye tulonda Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine Muganda. Onolonda Omuganda bajja bagoba ku ttaka lyammwe. Onolonda Omuganda bajja bagoba Kampala. It is. Ebyo n'ebishuba. So tebabalimba, don't be deceived by tribe. We are not defined by tribe, we are defined by our aspirations for a new Uganda.
As he headed to Kanungu for his campaign, the candidate was blocked from holding a rally at the designated venue, preventing him from carrying out campaign activities in the district. According to Kyagulanyi's official X account, the venue had been allocated to other functions. He later proceeded to Mbarara, where he was welcomed by a large crowd. Despite the brutality suffered by some individuals, Robert Kyagulanyi urged the people of Ankole to remain confident and resist fear, affirming that the struggle is worthwhile in pursuit of what he calls a new Uganda.
My main mission yazze kubagumya kubagamba sagala muntu naina abatise for a very long time bazze babagamba kakati muli mu kintu mugenda kwate muli mu kintu therefore mugenda kuba endangered. That is a lie. Omuntu naina akufugira kufia oyo abaira takwagala. We must not be ruled by fear, we must be governed by love.
He also condemned political aspirants whom he alleges are being bribed to withdraw from the race, asserting that such actions are wrong and entirely uncalled for.
Finally, manyi bulungi nnyo nti tulina bacandidates abamu be bagenze bagula nga bamuyita ne bamuwa 500 million n'ava mu race n'alekera wa NRM. Imagine living in a country a corruption is okay. Ekyo tulina okukikyusaamu. Ebyo bye byatujjayo okwesimbawo. Nze nyimiridde wano to represent a generation. I'm not representing a tribe. I'm not representing a gender. I'm not representing a group of friends. I am representing a generation of Ugandans.
He urged his supporters to take part in the election, citing it is within their civic rights to vote.
Mugende mulonde. Bw'oba ogenda okulonda ne bw'oba eri eyo nga towagira Bobi Wine vaayo ogenda olonde. Taking part in the election as citizens is the most patriotic thing. Ebiro 15 kwezi kw'okubanza mbasaba mwenna muveeyo mulonde.